Hello, my name is Maria. I'm a marketing specialist here at ThorApps, and today I'm going to help you to install our app BI service. So this is our second step. The first step is to install the app. So if you need any assistance with that, you can check our previous video. And if you want to continue, please make sure you have access to the BI service app installed to a SharePoint Online site collection and site collection administration permissions. So I'm going to open here my SharePoint site, and I'm going to navigate to site contents, and then open the BI service app that was already installed here. So I'm going to click on it. So this is our wizard page. You can check some links and guides we have listed here, and then click Start Setup. Then to proceed, you can click Next. And then this is the page where you are going to create the environment. So in my case, I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to call it Dev. And the full name is development. And I'm going to select a data center. So in my case, the closest one is Australia Southeast. I'm also going to add a valid email here. And then type my first name, my second name, and then a phone number here, and click Next. So here you have the option to choose if you want BI service to use a server farm provided by ThorApps, or if you want to use a report server hosted and managed by you or your company. So I'm going to choose the first option and click Next. And then I'm going to finish. So this is our BI service homepage, and you have concluded your environment setup. So now you are good to start uploading your reports here. And if you need any assistance with that, you can check our next video. If you have any other questions, please contact us at info@thorapps.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.